Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Contact or Tickets view and creating a new ticket. This ensures the right context immediately. Because HubSpot ties tickets to records, associate the contact and company now so history travels with the ticket. Once done, set ticket pipeline stage, owner, and priority to route work correctly. Make sure required properties are populated so automation triggers. This first step speeds response time and prevents missing data later. You'll build on these associations in the next stage. You now triage, review ticket details, add internal notes, and create tasks for next actions. That keeps work visible. Use workflows to auto-assign owners, set SLA timers, and update ticket stages when conditions change, because automation reduces manual handoffs. Once configured, create Save Ticket views filtered by priority, age, or SLA breach so nothing slips through. Make sure to link relevant emails and attachments to preserve context, and test workflows with a sample ticket before rolling out broadly. You finish by documenting the resolution and communicating closure clearly to the customer. Log the exact steps taken so the team can learn. Then move the ticket to the close stage and trigger any follow-up workflow like a satisfaction survey or retention sequence. If something goes wrong, inspect workflow action history, check property mappings, and verify record associations. These are the usual culprits. Finally, reopen or create a new ticket for recurring problems and update the playbook so the fix is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.